I'm serious. Stab him.
I won't kill Moses. He's my friend. Enjoy. My name is Jafar. I come from afar.
I think the thumb.
Bomb in my gut.
I tried to do that, but it's been super cursed build.
That is cursed. That is my first game today.
Yeah, nice.
For me.
Yeah.
I think this is our first
I'm
game.
probably gonna take this.
My second game.
Yeah, I was at CIA yesterday, so I'm feeling lazy. It would be nice when they're all finished.
That went surprisingly well. I know, we got like close all the way up there.
The bonsai rush.
Yeah, they asked me what we were doing. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna yell bonsai. We're just gonna run and hope for the best.
Yeah.
We all rushed out of Connect. I somehow get to the center of maze, and so does the rest of our team. It was incredible. I'm like, and then I got doped in the back of the head by someone on our own team.
Oh God.
Come, I can hear you guys. You can hear me? Are you pressing? Hello? There we go. We're good.
What? Yeah, I already saw you. Well, he should.
Remember your video on bullying.
I did. I do. No.
Kill you, Landon. Iron.
Now I am. Now I'm serious.
Stab him. I won't kill Moses. He's my friend. Enjoy. My name is Jafar. I come from afar.
I think the thumb.
Bomb in my gut. It's a dead man.
I think that's the thumbnail for this episode.
That better be.
Yeah.
You gotta keep a Landon streak of just being in people's thumbnails.
What? Oh my God. Dude. Was that hole already there and it just popped through?
It just got shot.
Dude.
That needs to be rolling.
That's amazing. I really hope I get that on camera. It rolls around like a mouse ball.
Hold it up a little bit higher, you'll definitely get it in.
Yeah.
I was really going to ask.
I mean, it still fits in there too.
But it worked.
Now you have one of those
Fidget toy.
I almost knocked it out.
No, don't. No, it's not gonna fall out.
Yeah, it almost fell out.
No, it's like the old, like
I don't want it to fall out. I pushed it back in.
Yeah.
the old Apple Mouse.
See, I told you.
Oh, maybe there was a hole. No, it just shot.
That does not look like a shot.
No, that looks like someone just got a really good shot and it got stuck in there for a minute.
Yeah. I thought it was.
It's okay. We'll lie to the viewers at home.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Isn't that what most Airsoft YouTubers do?
Yeah, cut.
Why has it Discord?
All right, game on. I don't even know if people are over there. Yeah, moving left. Far left. By the tree. Down by the tree there. I don't think I was reaching. But the full auto is a blast. Yeah, there was somebody on the ground over there. Yeah, I'm on your right, bud. Oh, hit. Good hit, brother. Wheel. That shirt's way too big for him. Yeah. Yeah, I'll move up there with him. All right, they're slinging from the left there. Behind you, Grim. Oh, whoa! Jeez! Ah, hit. Wheel! Did you? You okay?
Right below my Anna's apple.
That was when we were right there, right?
Yeah, that was right on the edge of the connet.
Yeah, that guy was shooting hard. I had to strafe right out of cover to keep from getting shot, but he still got me in my thigh. You know, I'll follow you this time. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Oh, hit. Good hit, brother. Wheel. All right.
Hey, who has a really long-range weapon?
Not me.
None of us.
Yeah, you want it? Go, sniper! You gotta go!
There's a guy behind the tree.
I'm over your head. Oh, he hit me right in the chest. Good shot, brother. Yeah, I'm a huge target. Yeah. Oh, he's double fisted. Get him, buddy. Wheel.
Ready, Chris?
Ready for what?
Full game, man. Straight forward, around the corner, straight forward, spread out to any barricade you want.
Okay.
Grim!
Are we only going on this side or are we going on the
Can you
right?
give covering fire? Good. All right, boys, you all ready to die?
Yep.
I have no idea how to work this gun. Let's go.
They're shooting from right They're shooting from diagonal. All right, let's try to lay down some cover fire here.
Your gun's full.
Yeah, I got it. Whoa. All right, guys, get ready.
All right.
Hey, gun here.
Ow, hit. Yeah, I keep getting shot by the same guy. I was gonna try to get footage, but if I stick my head out there, I get hit. I'm a BB magnet, dude. Yeah, dude, I got shot in the neck like right before he said the bonsai. Say what?
Back barrel.
Oh, I'm not doing that. Hey, when you're old like me, you don't have to do the back barrel. When you're young like you should do double back barrels. And a backflip without back talking. All right, right in the woods, I just saw a flashlight go off.
Well, that's how you get yourself exposed.
Yeah, he's got a sniper or something.
Okay, I'm getting in cover then.
Oh, you have a sniper too. Go get him. Go get him, buddy. He's down on the right in the woods there. Oh, God. Dude. Hit. Wheel. Good app.
That's me.
Nice.
That's you.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we'll put that. Come over here. Oh, they're shooting.
Thank you, man.
You're good.
You saved your ass right there.
Yeah. Again. Yeah. I thought I got him, but I also want to see how long I can full auto this thing. You know? I must have got him. Push it up on left. I love this thing with full auto and a drum mag, dude. I just wish it was an auto winder. Left, left. I'm gonna use up the whole drum mag this game. I'll just basically do the support gunner thing. I don't know. I think we're about to run out of time here. Yo.
Smile for the camera.
Okay.
Thank you, mate.
I have no idea. I got someone?
Yeah, you did.
Yay!
Oh, you killed Austin.
Good call, Austin! Brother Austin. You know, if we're gonna be cult-like, we should call each other brothers and sisters and stuff, you know?
Oh, I just call everyone gamer.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad idea, actually.
That's why I go around everyone like, howdy gamer.
Yeah, I know. You usually say that before you murder children.
Thank you.
Is Austin still alive?
I don't know, but it sounds like someone's still shooting from the left.
I'm on my last mag. Ready for anything.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if.
Oh no. So they are shooting from the left. Oh man, I am almost out of ammo.
I know, I do still, but it's like,
Huh?
this is like my third match.
Yeah, no, it's all good. Oh, game over! Mags out, boys and girls. Well, hey, at least I shot someone, according to Koi, and I believe Koi.
Yeah.
Oh, that could be Koi's little TV show, according to Koi.
That is perfect.
Or according to Koi.
According to
Yeah.
It's a compilation of him telling people that they've got someone.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, you got that guy, really? No, but I wanted you to feel good for a little bit.